Hey guys, this is Pranita Subhash and I'm going to be answering some questions on Instant Bollywood. I don't know if this question is to do with binge eating or binge watching because unfortunately food is always on my mind. But yeah, if you're talking about binge watching, I'm watching House of Cards right now. And another thing that I would recommend would be Money Heist and The Parasite. Oh my god, like such a fantastic film. And apart from that, sometimes I do revisit classics like The Notebook, etc. Really depends on my mood because all of us are at home all the time, so it's really important to mix up genres so that we don't get bored. I don't think any part of the day is difficult to get through. I think I have my day filled up with workouts, cooking, cleaning, spending time with my family and my dog. So I don't think any part of the day is hard to get through. So like I said, I live with family, so it's not that bad. I'm in fact getting a chance to spend time with them, with my mom, dad, grandmom, my dog. So it's not that bad. And with friends, I'm keeping in touch with them via video chat, and I'm sure I'll meet them right after the lockdown is lifted. In fact, I'm also getting a chance to chat up with old friends, and this is the time that I think all of us can reconnect with friends from school and college and all of that. So it's really, in a way, I think it's nice in a way. A lot of them, Instagram of course, and there's Twitter to keep myself updated with COVID updates, and I think also the video chat apps because we're all the time constantly doing video chats. So the thing is, the whole world is going through this crisis together. It's really important to tell yourself that all of us are in this together because if we're it's a hard time, I'm sure, and a lot of us are going through a lot of mental issues. It's really important to convince yourself that all of us are in this together. This is a very temporary phase and we'll fight it, and it's really important to just make sure that you do not get paranoid. Take a deep breath, calm down. It's all temporary and we're definitely going to fight COVID together. Yes, that's really hard because of course it's difficult for the households to also travel in these times of COVID. But I think we're also getting a chance to learn cooking, and my mom cooks and getting a chance to help her cook. And also I made the Nutella waffles yesterday and I just posted them. So getting a chance to make all these fun dishes that and also the good thing is that my mom doesn't really enjoy making them, but then right now she has to, so we're also getting a chance to make all these things like brownies and waffles and all these things. So I think it's fun. And cleaning, I think it's good because and you also realize that when you clean your room yourself, it's so different from when somebody else is doing it for you. So I'm enjoying it. Well, I eat home food all day, and like I said, so 90% of the day I try to fill it up with healthy food, and a little here and there cheat food with say ice cream or any brownies or anything that I make. It really helps because it also lifts up my mood, so I try to have a little bit of junk every day. So I think it's really important to keep yourself fit during these times because obviously all of us are eating junk food and sitting at home. It's possible that we just get lazy and also put on weight. So it's really important to focus on fitness during these times. And I think so the easiest thing is to get yourself a yoga mat, clear up some space and do yoga, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And also I'm mixing it up with some cardio, some HIIT in between, and also I run in the compound itself, and I'm also volunteering to take my dog for a walk every day, so that's helping. I don't know, like whatever works for you, a little bit of cardio at home, in the living room, wherever, and breakfast, a shower, everything. Keeping a strict schedule is so important, and you just feel a little motivated, and you also feel productive. Not really. Like I said, obviously when I work out, I'm wearing workout clothes, and I spend half a day in that. And then I shower, and then I'm wearing my PJs, of course. And when I'm shooting videos here and there, I do get a little dressed. So not like I'm spending the entire day in PJs. Meet my friends, of course, and I don't know, is it a bad thing that I'm getting used to this quarantine? Because I'm enjoying staying at home, and I think I'll further also become a little bit of a homebird because of this. So, like I said, focus on a good workout regime every day, and focus on developing a new skill, cooking, gardening, whatever works for you. And do not ever feel let down or paranoid, because all of us are in this together, and you have to convince yourself that this is temporary and we're all going to fight this. So stay home, stay safe, do not go into panic buying, stay updated with the news, super duper important. So yeah, that's about it. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.